അടുത്തതായി അധ്യക്ഷ ഭാഷണമാണ്. ജനം ടി വി MD ആൻഡ് CEO ശ്രീ GK പിള്ളയെ സാദരം ക്ഷണിക്കുന്നു.
Respected Shri Arif Mohammed Khan Ji, Honorable Governor of Kerala, Shri S. Sethumadhavan Ji, Deshiya Karyakari Sadasya of Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh, Shri Kumanam Rajashekharan Ji, former Governor of Mizoram, Shri V. Muralidharan, in absentia though, Minister of State of Parliamentary Affairs and External Affairs, the honorable awardees of this function, the directors of Janam Multimedia Limited, ladies and gentlemen, and members of the press, both print and visual. On behalf of Janam Multimedia and on my own behalf, it's my honor to stand before this august gathering in the presence of the most respected and learned Shri Arif Mohammed Khan Ji, Honorable Governor of Kerala, on the presentation ceremony of Janam Social Responsibility Awards 2021. Origin of social responsibility is traced to ancient times, with merchants and individuals chipping in with resources for poor houses, orphanages, schools, etc. The form of social responsibility over the years have changed, and now it is centered around the following 4 aspects. Number 1, environmental responsibility. Perhaps this is one of the most important thing. Number 2, ethical responsibility. Fair treatment. It means fair treatment for all the stakeholders. Third, philanthropic responsibility to make the world a more better place, a more livable place. And the fourth is economic responsibility. The social responsibility actions can have different connotations. Number 1, immediate effect. When we do certain seven activities, service activities, in terms of any natural calamity, provide food, shelter, etc., it actually provides immediate, instant relief. The second aspect of social responsibility, which one may not see the effect immediately, is on a long-term basis. That is conservation of environment, which is very, very important. If you don't do that today, the next generations will find it difficult to live on this planet. That's the second one. And the third one, which is a combination of both a short-term and long-term, when somebody provides help to education, to students. There may be an immediate benefit for the students in terms of education, but it also has a long-term benefit for the student to come up and be part of the nation-building exercise, which we all are today doing. So social responsibility, the term itself can really be expanded to various aspects. Janam TV, which is actually Janam's TV, believes that Janam, that is the people, have a responsibility towards the society, a social responsibility. That exactly is what we feel. And it is for this reason Janam TV has embarked upon the idea of recognizing and appreciating the good work done by individuals and organizations. These awards are not mere awards. Don't just look at them as just an award, a plaque being given to you. No. But these are representing the sentiments of lakhs of people who have immensely benefited by the actions of these people who are sitting in front of all of us. So here we salute the award winners on behalf of the humanity, the human of this country. Give them a big round of applause for all the awardees who are today present here. While the awards are given only to 8 individuals and or organization. I am aware that many more who do extremely important works are also equally important in the social fabric of the society. There are many who do a lot of things. But before I conclude, I want to emphasize a little bit one more aspect which is in the thoughts of Janam TV management. We are aware that large organizations, corporate houses who do a lot of good work. There is no doubt about it. There are, in India itself, we have lots of organizations. In the social responsibility area. But please note that there are lots of individuals who really do a variety of activities in the social responsibility area in their own way without any publicity. That is more important. Janam TV is now thinking of initiating or instituting an award for such individuals who are unseen, unnoticed by the majority of the people. We all know big things, but we do not know small people who do a lot of work. I'm sure such recognition of these individuals will really make a lot of difference. There are a lot of small people. He may be a teacher in a school. He may be a clerk in a government office. He may be an ordinary worker. You will find that they actually put their own resources. A percentage of their earning, the earnings itself may be mere, but a percentage of that earning is actually given to social responsibility. Those are the people who really Janam TV want to honor. Examples are, there are many people who educate 1 or 2 child silently. Nobody knows. The child doesn't know that who is actually funding for his education. Society doesn't know who is actually funding. These are done by individuals. They feed people, not in a large scale, but just 5 meals a day. Every day, from whatever simple salary he is getting, he is feeding 5 people per day. They plant trees. With whatever money they have, they go on planting trees slowly. We know we have examples in front of us. And they look after the old people. People after a certain age, they need some companion. Somebody should go and talk. So there are people who actually devote their time, effort, and money. So Janam TV is actually looking in the next function, a separate function. We would like to identify people from each of the 14 districts of Kerala, the unsung heroes, simple individuals who have really contributed to making the life of 1, 2, 3 people more beneficial, more happy, more successful. Ladies and gentlemen, it's an honor that today our esteemed, our honorable governor, Shri Arif Mohammad Khanji has come and agreed to honor all of you by recognizing the efforts put by you. I would like to once again thank him for sparing his valuable time and coming over to grace not the Janam TV function. He is actually honoring these 8 peoples, these 8 individuals and organizations who have done yeoman service to the society. With these words, I do not wish to take much time. I would like to once again congratulate each of the winners and request you to ensure that your commitment to the society, to the people, to the downtrodden increases year by year. We are always there to see to it that we support and stand by with you. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Bharat Mata ki Jai.
Thank you, sir.